This is Joydeep here. Welcome to another vlog. Today I want to speak something which is this is something which a lot of people who are into working with day in and day out. They are working in computer. They are aware of this, but a lot of people also feel that they know about it, but they still go ahead and ignore this as a matter of fact, and then something happens, and then when they feel the pinch, they go ahead and implement this. Okay, so guys, my topic today is cyber security. Okay, now you know that in fact now we cannot imagine our lives without a smartphone. Every individual today is using a smartphone. Okay, and you know that without internet or without data in your phone, your smartphone is no good. Okay, so similarly guys, according to a survey, now every minute or every hour, if you take it that calculation into consideration, there are mobile users, and there are people who are connecting to the internet on a regular basis. Okay, now imagine the kind of traffic we have in this particular internet, so internet world rather. So this is more important guys, because cyber security comes into the picture, because it not only protects your device, be it your laptop, be it your computer, be it your mobile phone, or any other device which you use. It's something which is at most essential. Okay, so guys, now if you are cyber secured, what happens is that next time, I'll give you an example. I think this would make things pretty clear. Now when you go to let's say a cyber cafe, or you go to a coffee shop, or any place like that, and you get this offer wherein they say that the internet, there is a free Wi-Fi here. Okay, and the person tells you that you can go ahead and use this particular Wi-Fi. Now what this person is telling you is, he's inviting you to use their network. Now you log into their network with your credentials. And when you go ahead and log in with your credentials, some part of your data gets stored on their particular network. So this is something that's where the catch is, guys. So what happens is that a part of it gets stored in the history. Okay, and a person who is, I'm not a tech guy, guys. By the way, this the video which I'm actually making for you guys, my purpose is just to make you guys aware. Okay, but I'm just a normal ordinary guy who does a 9 to 5 kind of a job, and I'm not a very tech guy. But honestly guys, I thought of picking up this topic because there are so many scams, and there are so many data which is getting hacked on a regular basis. I think if I talk about this, this is also something which is very important, because as I said earlier in my video, that we cannot imagine our lives without a smartphone these days. Okay, so coming back to the topic, guys, that if you are aware of cyber security, there is a very high possibility that you can you can be mindful of the fact that these things can happen. And next time when you are planning to use a free Wi-Fi, okay, which anybody is offering. As a matter of fact, guys, there are instances which has happened in the past, that you go to any place, and let's say you open the Wi-Fi, and you see that there's a free Wi-Fi signal which you are getting in your phone, and the moment you see it's free, you tend to jump in and you try to use that network without knowing the consequence, what can happen. It could be a potential trap. Okay, it could be a potential trap, so that you use that They want you to go ahead and use that particular network, and once you use it, I think rest you already know. I don't have to say. The game is over. You might end up. There are people who save a lot of information on their phone, so that when they require, then they know that it's there handy with them. So imagine all your data is hacked, and it could be your PIN, your any data, guys. As a matter of fact, I don't want to talk about any specific thing, but it could be any data, any personal data, because you never know what informations you have stored in your mobile, right? So guys, I hope this particular small video brings some kind of awareness to you guys, and next time when you actually go to a place like this, you would be mindful of the fact. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video, and share this video, guys, with your friends and family. Let them also know something of this sort can also happen, especially in a country like us. I mean, we do have a lot of people who are joining the internet industry, in the internet world on a regular basis, and they are not aware of what can go wrong, right? So please go ahead and share this video as much as possible, and if you would like to put your comment, you can go ahead and put your comment below. Okay, and do like this video, and subscribe to my channel, guys, and this would help me to make more videos of this sort. And this is Joydeep signing off. Take very good care of yourself, and keep rocking. Thank you.